So guys, we are heading towards Nicco Park, and this is basically the bridge that we'll have to cross. I will give in the description box all the bus numbers from wherein you can come to the Nicco Park. So let me just go inside it and purchase a ticket, and I'll give you all the descriptions and details of what you can do and what not. Hello guys, this is Momita Majumdar here, and today I have come to Nicco Park and thought of making you give a visit over here. So today I'm going to roam here and show you guys how it has come after the lockdown. So come with me and enjoy the Nicco Park. So Nicco Park is open now, and if you have any inquiry, there's an inquiry counter here. And apart from that, if you want, you can take online tickets, or else come and book over here. So this is the new instructions that have come up after lockdown, and here you can see the timings, the fees that you will have to pay. There's Sheru welcoming at the entrance. There's a winter offer that is going on. If you buy ticket online with rupees 850, you get another ticket. So basically, if you pay 850, you will get ticket for 2 person, and you can enjoy all the rides. Like for 850, there are all the rides that you can go with. So I have purchased that online ticket from the website, Nicco Park website, and I have got this band from at the entrance, and this is the ticket that you will be getting from the entrance itself. As soon as you enter this Nicco Park, there is Mr. Sheru, who is welcoming us. And so let's get started. Let's see what are the rides we can enjoy with. Basically, there are all the rides that we can enjoy in this 850. It's the main park, it's all the rides, it's the water park that you can enjoy. So let's get started. I'll show you all the videos. Just keep watching till the end. So now we'll be going to this mirror maze, and this is it. Starting with the mirror maze. Let's go inside and I'll show you how it is like. So let me just go inside. The loud music makes me feel like dancing here. There's a glass that is in the surface. So it's so much fun. We can't see anything. There's all mirror everywhere. Okay, so this is mirror maze basically, and we have lost our way. Which way to go? We're basically going on the same way all the time, and we can't find our way. Oh my God! Okay, so finally I think finally we have the exit point. Woo! What a relief. Done with the mirror maze. We were inside this and now we have some way skewed our ways. And we have come out from the mirror maze and let's see what will be our next. We are on to this now. Hello, so we are on to this horse and I feel like I'm riding the horse now. I feel like I'm riding the horse. Let's start with our next ride. Oh, I see the toy train going. Oh wow, this is a selfie place wherein people take selfie out here. So you can enjoy this place too. And then there is game zone here. Oh my god, look at this. And there's flying saucer.
লাগলো আমার আরে আরে দৌড়াম দেখাই ভিডিওটা হয়নি পুরো বেকার হয়ে গেল নিচে বাড়ি নিচে বাড়ি
this is paddle boat. So you can. This is also included in this particular band. If you want, you can definitely go on with this. This is a ropeway.
Ropeway and cable car both are included in this band.
Now we are going into the cyclone. So this is the line and this is a queue for cyclone. Let's see how much we can enjoy out here. So basically, you know guys, like I'm coming from the cyclone. I just had a cyclone ride and it's really fun, and at the same time it's so like scary, especially when you go down. It goes like that up and down, and especially when you are like, you know, you're just like, it feels like you're just falling straight down, and it's so super exciting. I would really ask you to just try the cyclone. It is really very, very exciting, scary, everything at the same point of time, and it is really fun. So let's see, let us just go on the next headed towards the next ride. Let's see what happens. The next ride, and I'll show you if possible, definitely if possible. I will try to shoot out because, you know, here in the rides and all, I cannot shoot all the video or whatever it is. It is not possible for me to shoot, but definitely as much as possible, I will definitely show you. So let me just, I'm enjoying so much.
Waiting in the queue of my next ride, River Cave. We are going to take a ride on the River Cave. And I will show you how it is inside the cave. Finally, I got my chance to sit in the boat and go inside. So we are heading towards the cave. The boat is leading us inside the cave, and I'm sure you can hear the sound of various creatures. There must be dinosaurs and skeletons and various other creatures, you know. See, here is the dinosaur egg that I have told you about. And here many other things. And the sound is also a bit scary. We are entering the water park here, and so after having after enjoying all the rides in the Nico Park, I have been entering in this water park just to give you a view of this water park and how it is looking like.
basically I don't have any intention to go into any of the rides in this water park, but I have just come here to give a view. So you can just see what are the rides that are here. There's fountain up there, and then you can see this is the water. There are rides over there. That is the ride where you know, you just fall down from and get inside this water. You will just fall down from there and go into this water, and that is it with that ride. And there is this tube ride, body tube ride. There are these kinds of rides that are here. Everyone is enjoying here. You can see over here those guys, they are enjoying there. You can see them. And there are rides over here, and I will show you more of the water rides that are there over here. I have just entered here just to show you guys. So come up with me, and I can show you there's a swimming pool also over here, wherein you can enjoy yourself in the swimming pool. You can swim out here, and I think it's absolutely safe. The water here is absolutely safe, so you can go out there and enjoy yourself. Oh, there's drinks over here, drink shop also over here, that is there. You can see over here there's drink shop. If you want, you can chill out over here. And apart from that, you can see over here the swimming. You can see people to 5:30. You can see them swimming, and I think it's 5:30, so the whistle is there, like the whistle that man has already given. So there are this, and then there is if you want, you can chill out over here. There are bags and all. Over here you can swim. There was like when I have entered, there was the people, they were swimming over here, but now they have come up, as because it's 5:30 now. And then you can see here there are a lot of other rides even. I'll show you. Over here I can see that's pirate shipwreck, and you can see that the cyclone, you know, I don't know if you guys can see it, the cyclone that was going there. So yeah, I enjoyed a lot. I spent the whole day over here. I have come in the morning and it's evening. It's 5:45 almost, and I have enjoyed a lot. So I would request you guys, do come here, pay online and get good offer. Enjoy yourself at your fullest. And yes, I will definitely show you where the locker is. Here at the entrance, you will get the locker. You know, there are toilets and washrooms and shower. If you want, you can take shower. And as soon as you enter from the park, no, you can enter from there, and you can take the lockers over here. So that can be done, and then you can enjoy yourself with the suit. See, there is announcement also going on, and it will guide you also. Safety and hygiene is being maintained in this water park. You can have a look on this. Both in the 3 languages it's written, with safety and hygiene.
Visitors advised to carry your own swimwear like nylon material, or you may rent your swimwear and lockers.
Okay, so you can have a look on the rental rate chart. for men, women. You can deposit and rental charges and everything is written over here. Another thing is sari, salwar suits, jeans are not allowed. You will have to change if you want. You can also you can also bring it from your home.
Lastly, I went for the cable car as it remains open for a long time even when the other rides are closing. The cable car remains open for a long time.
Like it was fun. I have went through river ride, like the water park. I have went through the river cave, cyclone, and it was amazing. And like I'm done for the day. So here is the food court. If you are hungry after the rides and all, then you can definitely go out with the food court. You can have your food here, and there is ice cream counter here too. So this was for the day, and I'm done. And there is also another it's around 6:15. It's according to as per my watch, it's 6:15, and almost all the rides are done. Almost all the rides, not almost, actually every ride, like all the rides are done. All the rides are being closed, and there is only this small for the children. You can have on this. So hope you guys have enjoyed with me a lot, and you can just come up into this till 20th. Another thing that I would like to mention, till 20th February, there is this opportunity that is going on. If you book the ticket online, you can have 300 rupees for 2 person. This offer is only valid till 20th February. Just come on and enjoy with all the rides. There is toy train going on even as of now, but I think the park will close soon within 6:30 or 7. I think it will be closing. So keep watching my channel. Thank you for watching today's, and please do not forget to comment me, to share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, guys.
Park timing is 10 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. as per the website. Open all days in the week, and the rides start from 10:15 a.m. to 6 p.m. You may either purchase a ticket of rupees 300 that include entry fee, 13 attractive rides, and get another ticket free, or purchase a ticket of rupees 850 that include entry fee, all ride, and water park, and get another ticket absolutely free.